The XP Power pup110-40-s is a custom wall wart style power supply for a very specific type of semiconductor equipment. In addition to it having a very unusual power output connector, it is also a strange output voltage. In order to repair this power supply, we had to break open the case, rebuild the power supply, and replace all the defective components. The video shows the final checkout of the voltage at the connector, after we had loaded the power supply for an hour. This power supply, as with all power supplies, typically requires a full rebuild prior to return. ERD performs this service daily on a variety of power supplies, so please ask us if you need any power supply serviced, regardless of whether it is listed on our website. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.